My name is Wayne, Media Coordinator for Colas Western Canada. My job is to travel through the 5 different divisions of CWCI and tell the stories of the men and women that work here. It's also important to highlight some of the incredible jobs that we've been spearheading in this upcoming year. For World Environmental Day 2025, we're going to highlight some of the incredible projects that Colas Western Canada has been working on to help get Colas that much closer to a cleaner future.
My name is Kalen Kerr. I am the Lands and Sustainability Coordinator for Terrace Construction. I look after making sure we are sustainably developing all 62 of our gravel pits located in BC and the Yukon. Today we are here in Revelstoke to discuss and look at the West Side Gravel Pit, which is a 15-hectare gravel pit reclamation project that utilized biosolids in reclaiming the site to its final form. Waste from the city goes into a reactor that heats the material to extremely high temperatures, and this eliminates all of the potential bacterias and harmful pathogens. And essentially what you're left with is a rich earth-like material that can be mixed with a feedstock to essentially turn sand into highly fertile soil that's utilized in reclamation projects such as this one here. The areas where we use biosolids are growing extremely well. We're seeing a ton of grasses growing in nice and thick. We're seeing excellent growth of all the trees that we planted. It's just an excellent way to engage in the circular economy and showcase some of our initiatives here at Colas. And I'm proud to be a part of a team that's looking at innovative ways to achieve our goals of reclaiming gravel pits while contributing to a more ecologically sustainable future here at Colas.
Hi, I'm Kurt Wilkie, Maintenance Division Manager for Alberta Highway Services. We're here today at our Calgary yard on the Southwest Calgary Ring Road to have a look and talk about our feature, the solar system that we installed over this past winter. We are producing sustainable energy now. The system is capable of doing 176,000 kilowatt hours per year. We've got 317 panels up there. We do see an average of 333 sunshine days per year. So this is huge for us economically and environmentally. It would be nice if we could incorporate this project in lots of our other facilities throughout the Colas group in Western Canada. Hopefully that we'll take a serious look and put this into play at some of our other facilities and yards. We do have a lot of wildlife that tends to live here year-round. Currently I have geese floating around in our pond and native deer that like to live around the facility. We currently house bees and all sorts of other wildlife. So the solar system just seemed to fit into that, with trying to do all that we could to benefit the environment around us and around the city.
I'm Nelson Davis, Senior Project Manager with Standard General Calgary, and I'm pleased to share a new initiative from our Marda Loop Main Street project here in Calgary, Alberta. With support from the City of Calgary, we piloted a asphalt mix containing 40% RAP, or recycled asphalt pavement. This is a much higher percentage than we typically see utilized across the country. This is an example of us showing proactive environmental stewardship and circular economy practices. The environmental benefits are huge. By recovering some of the residual binder in the existing asphalt, we're able to offset the amount of petroleum-based asphalt oil that's required. It reflects responsible material sourcing, reduced carbon intensity, and a collaborative relationship with our clients to push standards forward. I'm very proud of this project because it implements sustainability and innovation while delivering great infrastructure.
Hi, I'm Ian Boychuk, Division Manager of MPA Highway Division, and I'm here to talk about cold-in-place recycling. It's not a new process within Western Canada, but not often used by owners. The real benefit behind cold-in-place recycling, the environmental effects. We take something that's been put in place 25 years ago, and we use 100% of the materials in place. We mill it up, put it through a mobile crusher, add emulsions or asphalt cement, and pave it back in place. There's no trucking involved in material. We're not bringing in 5% oil. We're not bringing in an asphalt plant. We have limited resources across Western Canada. This process helps us recycle resources already in place. The MPA Highway Division completed a job a few years ago with cold-in-place recycling for Alberta transportation. It was a great success, and we're hoping other owners can see this project and continue to promote cold-in-place recycling across Western Canada.
Hello, I'm Co Edwardson. I'm the Quality Control Supervisor with Standard General Edmonton. At Standard General Edmonton, we are producing Environmental Product Declarations, or EPDs. This helps us track the amount of CO2 produced per ton of asphalt or aggregate. This helps us track any changes that we make at the plant or the pit and our environmental footprint. And it also helps our customers decide between different producers the amount of CO2 that is being produced. We input the amount of electricity and fuel per ton of asphalt, and it can calculate it based on environmental rules for each product category. These are different for both asphalt and aggregate and will be standard across industries for other producers as well. Future of EPDs in the industry is hopefully seeing other producers start to publish these along with us, and then we can compare ourselves to other producers. Standard General Edmonton was the first producer to publish asphalt EPDs in Western Canada, and we are currently working on publishing aggregate EPDs along with our asphalt EPDs. I'm proud to be part of this EPD initiative and to start tracking our environmental footprint across the different products that we're making at Standard General Edmonton.
Colas is proud to be on the forefront of these environmentally sustainable projects. And initiatives like that hopefully will inspire you guys to find projects of your own. Together, we're working towards a cleaner, brighter future.